To subscribe to Bill.com webhooks, follow these steps. First, you need to have a Bill.com developer account and create an application to obtain a client ID and client secret. These credentials are required to authenticate your API requests. Next, you need to choose the webhook events you want to subscribe to, such as invoice created, payment made, or bill paid. Bill.com provides a list of available events in their API documentation. After selecting the events, you need to set up an endpoint to receive the webhook notifications. This endpoint should be able to handle HTTP POST requests and verify the webhook signature to ensure the request is coming from Bill.com. Now, use the Bill.com API to create a webhook subscription. You will need to provide the endpoint URL, the events you want to subscribe to, and your client ID and client secret. You can use the API to test the webhook subscription and verify that it is working correctly. Best practices for subscribing to Bill.com webhooks include handling duplicate events, verifying the webhook signature, and implementing retry logic in case of failures. You should also monitor your webhook endpoint for errors and update your subscription as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully subscribe to Bill.com webhooks and integrate them into your application. This will allow you to receive real-time notifications and automate tasks, making it easier to manage your business finances. In summary, subscribing to Bill.com webhooks requires creating a developer account, choosing the events you want to subscribe to, setting up an endpoint, and using the API to create a subscription. By doing so, you can streamline your workflow and improve your overall financial management.